Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a new group chat inside of Facebook Messenger. To do this, open the Messenger app. Next, at the top right, tap the new message icon that looks like a pencil to paper. Directly under the To field, you should see Create a New Group. Tap that. Now, go through and choose at least 2 contacts to add to the new group. When you're ready, hit Next on the top right. Give your new group a name and then tap Create. If you'd like to edit the group, say rename it or add or remove people, tap the name at the top to get to the edit screen. Tap Edit on the top right if you want to change the name of your group or your chat photo. To add or remove members, select See Group Members. If you want to add a new member to the group, tap the plus sign at the top right and choose the members from the list. If you want to remove a member from the group, choose the person and then select Remove from Group at the bottom. You can also change the theme of the group by selecting Theme. Once you're inside of here, you can then choose from many of the themes that are available. When you head back to the group homepage, you'll see the changes that you've made. And it's that easy to create and edit a new group chat inside of Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.